Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, August 30th. Time is around 5:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and the forecast is playing out. I believe. Yesterday I told you I was expecting more upside in the DAX, more upside, so that we at least would reach here this area, this wave X area. And so now we reached this area. I also had an alternative count on my charts in which this was here the wave W, and that we only would have a shallow wave X and then down again as a wave Y. But this was my secondary scenario, and it looks like my primary scenario is playing out, which is the WXY located here with your wave X located here. So overall, if we zoom out, I believe we finished here a wave one to the upside, and so now a wave one in the higher degree, and so now we are working on this wave two here. This becomes our target area. If you want to have more context about this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. For now, I would just focus on this structure here. So primary scenario is that we get a WXY structure here. So let me put this Y somewhere here. And so we had now three waves down, 1, 2, 3. So our A, B, C as our W leg. It looks like now we have our wave X, 1, 2, 3 up. We reached the area of our wave X. And now we should go down again as an ABC, A, B, C down to have our wave Y. Now, an alternative scenario that I put on my charts here, it's not my primary scenario, it's my secondary scenario, is that this correction, so we are working on a wave 2, in my opinion. So a wave 2 is a corrective structure. So primary scenario is that wave 2 plays out as a WXY. An alternative scenario would be that the correction plays out as a flat. Like it can be regular flat, can also be expanded flat. And what would happen then? So our wave A takes place in 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, which is the case here. Then this would be our wave A. And for the wave B, it would mean that we see way more upside, let's say, more upside to a level that we even getting really close to this top here. There's a stop typically what the wave B does in a flat structure, in a regular flat. And if we have an expanded flat, the wave B can go even beyond here the end of our wave 1 or the start of our wave A. So this would be an alternative scenario. It's not my primary scenario, but I put it on the chart because it is something that can play out. It is a corrective structure that can play out. So we have to be aware of this. However, it's not my primary scenario. Now I would like to continue just with the WXY structure here, the scenario in green. So on the 1 hour, what do we see here? So we had our A, B, C here. Quite a nice structure, 5 waves, looks good. Then here we have this WXY structure, also played out as as foreseen, in the sense that so here this wave W, I believe the ABC is here. It worked quite well here to forecast this this wave C here, that we would have a shorter wave C. played out well. Then we went into this area. I also gave you this area. From here, we could expect more upside, and this also played out like we see now more upside, and I would label this. So this structure from here, I would label it as a short wave A, then or wave B, and an extended wave C. This is what I would do now with the data I have. However, there might be an alternative scenario that we get something similar like this here, that this here was only or wave A, that we get a long wave A, that we then have like let's say a shallow wave B, just like we had here, that we then get again a shorter wave C, deeper into this area. Because as you can see, like we reached so the area for our wave X. So this is the area that we can find by taking the length of our wave W. Then this here is the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 Fib extension where our wave X should end. This is also what happened here. We are in this area. We touched this area, and we can see a first reaction now to the downside. Moreover, like we also reached our wave C area. So if we take the length of, no, I'm sorry, we reached, if we take the length of our wave W, the length of our wave X, then we know where this wave Y should end, which is between the 1 and the 1.618 Fib extension. So this area here. And as you can see, we also reached this area, and now we have a first reaction to the downside. Now, the question is, or the most important question is, will we see, like, can we go deeper into this area? Of course, this is possible. Like, if it turns out that the expanded flat, like I showed you in the 4 hour, that the expanded flat, or or even the regular flat plays out, then we can see more upside deeper into this area. But then for the moment we do not have enough data yet to be more concrete on this. Therefore, it's also my secondary scenario. But I would say, like if we break this trend line here, the 1 hour RSI, then that's a good indication that that would be an indication for me that this upward cycle can be over. Of course, also here in the in the 4 hour here, it has to break this this upward cycle. And if I look at the 15 minutes, like this looks quite complete, this structure. However, there is one, like this could also, so now I would label it as like complete A, B, C, and 5 waves here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, complete. But it could also be that like we didn't break the RSI trend line before, and this is what normally should happen in a wave 4. So it could be also something like this actually. So that we are now doing a wave 4 down, that we then get deeper into this area as a wave 5. Like this for the moment has the strongest RSI reading, but this can be our wave 3 of 3, like that this is so wave 3 of this tree, and that now we are doing our wave 4, breaking this RSI trend line, and then go deeper into the area. And here we end with divergence. So this is also something that, yeah, for the moment I will keep this one on my chart, a 4 and a 5, but yeah, could be that we are finished here. So this would be my interpretation, like with the data we have. Of course, if the regular flat or the expanded flat is playing out, then this here, yeah, will still be our wave B, but yeah, then this can become yeah, something more complicated, a more complicated wave B. So far, this corrective structure is quite nice for us. Like it's just nicely 3 waves: W X Y, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So it looks good. It can become more complicated if we get like this expanded or regular flat playing out. But for now, this is not the primary scenario. It's my secondary scenario. Primary scenario is this here. So let's see for now if we get if we are finished here, or if we get the wave 4 down and then a wave 5 up, ending with divergence. Yeah, this is now what I'm looking at, and this is my my main expectation, I would say. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.